Hi, I'm Pamela Vuong. I'm the baker and proud owner of the Flower Box in Seattle, Washington. I've been making handmade filled brioche donuts for more than 2 years now, popping up all over Seattle. It's been a wild ride to say the least, and now I have the amazing opportunity to settle down into a permanent home. Everybody knows the Flower Box for the donuts, but there's so much more in store. I didn't grow up baking. I'd never baked anything on my own until 5 years ago. Instead, I learned through a lot of trial and error as a college student looking for an after-school hobby, an escape of sorts. It was new and it was unexpected, but I couldn't be happier with where that hobby has taken me. Baking gave me something to believe in, and it taught me that I'm capable. Starting the Flower Box gave me something to work for, and it taught me that I can be successful. These lessons came when I really needed them most, and the support thus far has been unbelievable. So how could I not pursue this? I'm incredibly proud to be a young Asian American female business owner. Having that title might set the Flower Box apart, but beyond that, I hope to set an example by simply being honest and kind, being transparent, and making customers feel welcome, connected, and cared for. That's what I want at the core of the Flower Box, because, honestly, I owe everything to all of you, the supporters who believe in this. The Flower Box is not just mine, but yours too. The storefront has been so highly anticipated, and it would be an absolute dream come true to give that to you. This is why I'm asking for your help. Starting a business on your own with no food industry experience is a scary thing, but I believe in this, and I know a lot of you do too. The Kickstarter funds from this campaign will transform a former service station turned Peruvian chicken joint into South Seattle's newest neighborhood bakery. The money will be spent on new equipment, renovations, furniture, labor, and materials. All of the details are listed below. I want the Flower Box to be new and exciting, but I want people to feel at home here too. That's what baking is to me. It's a home. Many items I plan to serve have a special meaning behind them, whether they remind me of childhood, favorite travels, or fond memories. It's all very personal for sure, though however personal, I hope those flavors and memories resonate with many others as well. That's why I'm so grateful to be opening in Hillman City. It's small but incredibly diverse, and it feels like home to me. My hope is that soon, it'll feel like home to you too. Thank you so much for supporting the Flower Box.